Hello and welcome to Confessions of a Refashionista. I'm Refashionista Sherry, and this is a corner of my little bedroom. Now, I adore everything vintage, and I've had my awesome vintage vanity set for quite a few years now. The problem is I've been using it with some little S-hooks here to store my scarves, my groovy little vintage and retro neck scarves. I also use them as headbands and, whatever. Anywho, I have so many now that I actually can't see myself and use my lovely vintage vanity anymore. So it is absolutely time to kind of search through my little house here and find something that I can upcycle into a more organized, attractive looking scarf hanging storage solution. So let's get started.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy upcycled storage project, all you need is a wooden hanger, some wooden clothespins, and all-purpose glue. So your first step is to simply arrange your clothespins on your hanger as evenly as possible. Now, of course, you can go ahead and measure and do everything exactly perfect down to the millimeter, but I'm just going to kind of eyeball this right now, and yeah, I'm sure it will look fine in the end. Next, grab your glue and secure your clothespins to the hanger. Once you have all of your clothespins glued onto the hanger, then simply allow it to dry and set overnight. And now everything is super duper secure because I let it dry and thoroughly set overnight. Now, you could be done right now and hang it up and add your scarves to it, but I want to fancy mine up a bit, and I have so much paint left over from redoing my kitchen, and it's this lovely orangey, yellowy, sunshiny color that will totally match my bedroom as well. So I am going to give mine a couple coats of this fabulous paint. And look how absolutely fantastic my scarf hanger came out. I mean, very autistic and funky. And I also took a little bit of time and wrapped up the metal hanger, just, so it looked a little bit fancier. So let's go hang it up and see if it works. And look how lovely and clean and clear my vintage vanity is now. And let us move to the fantastic scarf hanger. Oh, lovely. And it is right beside my amazing accessory hangers. I shall put the link for those so you guys can make some for yourself. But I mean, come on. So cute and lovely and organized. For loads more upcycling tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to refashionistasherry.com. And until next time, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.